Did you know you fuckers can die from cracking your neck? Cracking your neck feels good as hell, like popping bubble wrap on your spine. But there's a dark side to that sweet-ass snap that could possibly take your fucking life. But hold on real fucking quick, though. Make sure you assholes get over to our new project PDF to Pickle, where you can make anything your little fucked up heart desires, PDFs, YouTube videos, whatever the hell you want, into a hilarious pickle video. So get your ass to pdftopickle.com. Now back to cracking your stupid neck. That pop when you crack your shit is fucking gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid. Harmless most of the time. But yank your head the wrong damn way, and you could tear a blood vessel in your neck. That fucking tear can turn into a clot. And if that clot crawls its way to your brain, boom, stroke city, bitch. So if you don't want fucking brain damage, I'd start stretching instead of cracking. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body.